Hello, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I am coming back with a bomb wig. Bobbi Boss is about to have me hooked, like seriously guys. So basically, long story short, I needed to do my hair. I picked up this amazing wig. I've seen a few videos on YouTube about it, but I didn't really have any knowledge about it. But before we get started, go ahead and pause that video right now. Hit that subscribe button down below. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up once you complete it. Alright guys, so before I go ahead and style this hair, I'm just going to show you the packaging and a few of the specs about this wig. So once again, this is the Bobbi Boss. This is named Keeshana. Yeah, her name is Keeshana. The packaging is bomb. It comes in this beautiful box here, and on the front of the box it just shows you that it is a 13x4 hand tied. This is going to be Swiss lace on this wig, which I can get into the parting a little bit later. But for those of you that are not familiar with 13x4 I guess lace frontals or lacing in general, it is going to be ear to ear, so it's 13 inches across by 4. Let me just part it. So it's going to be 4 inches going all the way straight back. Now Bobbi Boss did this thing with this parting space. Like, I was playing with this wig in the beauty supply store, and I was just like doing the different hairstyles that I would love to do on myself. This lace, this 13x4 lace, is so bomb. Now it is Swiss lace, which is not going to be like your softest lace, but it's not bad at all. I went ahead and obviously cut off the lace. I cut off the lace where the ear tabs are as well, so it fits super duper snug on my head. I love it. So it also comes with 3 combs. There's going to be 2 combs right here and 1 comb in the nape, with also adjustable straps. That way my big head friendly women, if you need to make it a little bit loose, or if you have a smaller head, you can make it tighter, whichever floats your boat. Now this wig did come with so many colors. The mannequin actually had like a teal color. The color I'm wearing is the TT1/BUG, so I guess it's TT1 bug. Which is basically going to give you that very pretty like maroon, burgundy, red vibes. And you are going to have your dark roots, so it is going to be black at the top and ombre into the red. So now my initial reaction to this hair coming out of the pack was like, the curls are bomb. Like, these are some gorgeous curls. I've combed this hair multiple times today. And the curls basically get loose and then they jump right back into how they were. So I'm assuming obviously over time that these curls will probably drop by themselves, but this being, you know, out of the package for like what, a good hour now, I'm in love with these curls. This is very like glam hair. Or it could even be, if you're a glam woman, you want to do your hair and makeup every single day, this is the wig. And my favorite part is the 13x4. Like, I can literally part this bad boy anywhere. And I do have just my hair corn rolled underneath with a like a tan wig cap. So I'm gonna show you guys once I gotta lay the baby hairs, because this hairline did not come plucked at all whatsoever. I did go through and just pluck a little bit, but it's getting dark outside, so I wanted to hurry up and get this video out. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut just a little bit and add baby hairs just to make the hairline look a little bit more realistic, I guess you can say. Now I don't want to go like baby hair drastic, like baby hair galore on this wig, because I do want it to still have that very natural style. So I'm just gonna part a little bit and cut it and try to gel it down. Alright guys, so I basically just finished up this this hairline. Now I really did not want to pull out too many baby hairs because I really don't want it to have that like wiggy look on it. So I did something a little bit more natural. I just pulled out little baby hairs. And obviously as the days progress, when I do wear this wig, I can like pull out a little bit more if I do decide to do my half up, half down. The baby hairs don't even matter if I plan on wearing it with a side part or a middle part, so that's the good thing there. But yes, overall this hair is about 22 inches and I am in love with it. So super duper flowy. The curls are bomb as hell. Like this is, like I said before, this is like some really big glam hair and it's super cute. I'm 5'6" and it comes like right here on me, so about to where my boobs sit, and this hair is super gorgeous. I think I'm gonna go back and get the steel color that they have, which is kind of like that platinum grayish blonde color, which was also so pretty. Now this hair was 35% off, so I wind up paying I think like $20 for this hair, but it does, I think it starts off at $45. It really just depends on which beauty supply store you went to, or even if you order online, because I looked online and they have this wig a lot cheaper, but obviously once you pay for shipping you gotta wait. You know, you might as well just go to your local beauty supply store to buy this wig. So once again, this is the Bobbi Boss wig. Keeshana, I keep wanting to call her Keeshana, but her name is Keeshana. I would say she's approximately about 24 inches long, but this is very soft, big flowy hair. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with the middle part. So even if you wanted to go ahead and achieve the middle part look, you can definitely do that. Or you can also do the side part here. So no matter which way you like part it, she's going to flow right in your face. And she's giving me like real like red carpet vibes, like super cute. And you can also achieve your half up, half down. Yeah, there's so many styles you can achieve with this hair, even if you wanted to do your half up, half down. So you just obviously have to pluck the hairline just a little bit more. But since it is completely lace, you can pluck as much as you want. Just ladies, don't forget, do not over pluck because you don't want the wig going bald. So this is actually a synthetic. Yes, it's premium synthetic, so I guess it's more on your luxury side under that synthetic wing basically. So this is not human hair. This would be super bomb if this was virgin hair. I probably would have brought 4 more of these wigs. Now I am noticing as I am switching out these hairstyles, it is just tangling just a little bit, and it's probably because all the curls, the tighter curls that are still in this wig, and just with me completely like brushing it and stuff. So it is tangling just a little bit, but there's not a lot of shedding. So I think it's only tangling because I keep putting it from like up to down, and that's gonna be like really any wig. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. Bobbi Boss really did it with this one. Like they really did it. For those of you that don't know how to make any 13x4 lace frontal wigs, or you're not familiar with it, this is the best unit that you can purchase to kind of like experience how a real 13x4 lace frontal is. I'm definitely feeling myself. And guys, it's so crazy because I've done like honey blonde before, and I've done my regular 1B color. So this is actually the first time ever that I put some real color in my hair, and I'm just like, oh my god, damn Shani, who's that? Like, is that me in the mirror? Girl, you look good. You look so good. All right, ladies, so for those of you that are not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you are enjoying this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Share this video with all of your family and friends. Guys, I'm gonna leave all of my social media platforms down below. If you do have any suggestions, any advice, tips, or even questions about this unit or future units, please feel free to go ahead and contact me. All right, beautiful, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up this hair review, guys. Please go out, look online, purchase this hair. Valentine's Day is coming up. You guys need to purchase this hair. If you are going out with your girls, going out with your man, or whoever you're going out with, purchase this hair because it is definitely worth it. Like, this hair is so bomb. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you guys next time. Mwah. Bye.